In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a WordArt to your Microsoft Word document. So if you want to style it, if you want your text to glow, shadow, or something like that, let me show you guys how to do that. So you come here to the Insert tab. You see WordArt here, you tap on that. You choose any of them, good. And I insert my text here. So chapter 1. I think this is good. So now I come here to the shape outline. So I can choose red if I want to. It's not going to, show, but let me choose red. Now let me chapter. So a T should be here. Good. Now let me try change the color to something more nicer. Let's see if yellow is okay. So I add a background color fill. And then shape outline I can change it to this. And now I have this shape effects. I can add a shadow and all that here. And then the text fill, I can change my text color to this. Text outline, the outline of the text, I can make it blue to see. That's not nice. That's not nice as well. I'm not good in design, so I'm just doing everything. So I make it green. I don't know if you guys can see. So these are the options from here to here. Good. Now I'm going to show you guys the float. So now you can see here the glow I was talking about. The 3D. Yeah. You see chapter 1. Doesn't make sense. This type of 3D doesn't make sense. Let's see, this makes sense. This doesn't make sense too as well. So you have 3D rotations, you can do that. So this kind of makes sense. And you can add the glow to, you can see it's glowing. Yeah. You can add a shadow. So we have a shadow in front. So you can see the chapter has a shadow in front. Yeah, so you can double tap on that and continue to edit it. So that's it on how you add a WordArt on your Microsoft Word document. So let's see chapter 1, and you've done something like this, which is not nice. For me, I think it's not nice. I'm not good in design, but with all the tools, you know how to design it. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.